Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best car wash mitts on Amazon. It's not too hard to wash your car, but you can make your job a lot easier by purchasing a good quality cleaning mitt. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Megears Microfiber Wash Mitt. This super absorbent microfiber mitt weighs 2.4 ounces and is 8 by 10 inches wide. It is suitable for both wet or dry washing and is machine washable. The mitt is easy to control and isn't floppy, which is important when you clean the lower parts of your car. You don't want any part of the mitt touching the ground. It is very soft and features a band that secures to your wrist to keep the mitt on your hand. It is very soft and glides smoothly over the surface of your car. It holds suds very well. Its white color allows you to easily see and pick out any particles it picks up. Number 2. Ultimate Car Wash Mitt by Relentless Drive. This double-sided chenille microfiber mitt weighs 4.8 ounces and is 11.5 inches by 8 inches by 1.5 inches wide. It is 80% polyester and 20% polyamide. It is machine washable and can be used on cars, trucks, motorcycles, boats, RVs, or even in your home. The thick absorbent microfiber wipes away dirt and grime without leaving behind any lint or scratches. The mitt has a mesh lining interior that easily allows you to put your hand back into the glove when you take it off while it's still wet. The mitt is soft and plush and holds a large amount of water. It fits nicely if you have big hands. It is well designed and completely non-abrasive. It features a wristband so it doesn't fall off your hand. One downside is the cuff may tear or split after use. It may also get very heavy when drenched in water. The XL size may not be as big as you expect. Number 3. Relentless Drive Ultimate Car Wash Mitt 2-Pack. This affordable 2-pack of car wash mitts is an excellent product from Relentless Drive. They are designed to be lint-free, scratch-free, and non-abrasive. They are double-sided mitts, making them more versatile when washing your car. They can also be used on trucks, motorcycles, SUVs, RVs, boats, and other watercraft. They can hold their weight in water 7 times over, so they need to be wrung out less. If they do get used and dirty, you can easily pop them in the washer to clean them. The interior is lined with mesh to make them more flexible and to ensure your hand does not get stuck inside. These mitts are also good for waxing, dusting, and polishing your cars, as well as cleaning off windows, mirrors, glass, and other in-home items. One of the biggest perks of this product is it comes with a 90-day money-back guarantee if you don't like it. Number 4. Angrowy Car Wash Mitt 2-Pack. This 2-pack of car wash mitts from Angrowy come in 3 different colors: dark blue, bright green, and light blue. They are made from double-sided chenille to ensure they are scratch-free, lint-free, and swirl-free for your finishes. They are great for cars, trucks, motorcycles, boats, RVs, and inside your house. The wrist cuff is double-stitched elastic, making it more durable and longer-lasting than other cuffs. These mitts have a large size so they fit all hands and have a wider cleaning area. They can hold 7 times their weight in water and are machine washable and dryable. They come with a 1-year warranty and a 60-day full refund guarantee. Overall, these are solid car wash mitts for a good price. While they are advertised as large, they are slightly smaller than you would expect. Number 5. Concord 2-Pack Car Wash Mitt. This 2-pack of bright green car wash mitts from Concord are made of premium double-sided microfiber chenille. They are great for washing, dusting, and general cleaning of vehicles in the home. They ensure a swirl-free finish and are made extra large so they can work with any hand size. The mitts are extra dense, which allows them to hold more water and suds than sheepskin. A big perk of this product is its 30-day full refund guarantee. They are also machine washable and dryable. They are slightly more expensive than others you will find on the market. With that elevated price, you get a stronger and more durable product that is made to last. There are next to no reports of any tearing or wearing out, so expect to get a long use of this pair of car wash mitts. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.